Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the authorization code flow. First, register your app with the IDP and record client ID, client secret, and redirect URI. Next, select scopes you need and decide between standard authorization code or PKCE for mobile and single-page apps. Once done, build the authorization request URL with response type equals code and state for CSRF protection. Make sure to send the user to that URL so they can authenticate and grant your requested scopes. Once the user returns with a code, validate the state and exchange that code for tokens. Post to the token endpoint with grant type equals authorization code, the code, redirect URI, and client credentials. For PKCE, include the code verifier. You will get an access token, optional refresh token, and expiry seconds. Parse and record them. Now store tokens in a secure credential store or encrypted session. Also implement automatic refresh before expiry, so user sessions remain seamless without re-authentication. To finish, attach the access token to API requests in the authorization header and enforce token validation on the resource server. If you receive a 400 one, try refreshing with the refresh token. If that fails, redirect the user to reauthorize. Make sure you rotate client secrets periodically and revoke tokens when credentials are compromised. One key troubleshooting tip: if exchanges fail, check redirect URI exact match, client credentials, and code verifier for PKCE. Mismatches are the most common cause of token errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.